It's Jaycie and welcome back to my vlog channel. And today I'm going to a wedding. It's my dad's, oh my god, my eye looks bad. It's my dad's friend's wedding and we're gonna have fun. So let's look at my OOTD. So believe it or not, this dress is from Costco and these shoes are from Old Navy probably. And I don't know if you can see my hair, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try to see my hair. Oh, there it is. And I think it looks really pretty. So we're about to leave and I'll vlog our way there.
What's your name?
Kenzie.
Kenzie and
I'm 4.5.
Taya.
I'm
Nice to
4.5.
meet you.
Kaka's looking
4.5.
at
You
me.
going to kindergarten next year? Nice.
I'm going to.
We have arrived. And it's so cute here. Best day ever. It's so
Can you give
cute.
him a high five? High five.
Like I got my finger
Will you
right
try
now.
all my fingers?
I see peacocks. It says farm animals over here. Please, no pets. Why would you bring pets to a farm animal? That would just be stupid. Ah! Ah! Oh, something's moving in there. Ah! Oh, it's a rooster. Hi, buddy. It's a peacock. Oh, look, there's another rooster. Whoa, look at it. Look, he has his feathers hanging down. Is this shocking? Okay. Hi, buddy.
There's the peacocks. You see the peacocks? Look. Look at that one's
Hi.
head. Look at that one with his big tail.
Go.
Oh, look at him. Here.
Bunny and a rooster.
You see? This is Bunny.
Roosters. Roosters galore. Ah, the goats almost got out.
Over here.
You almost got out, buddy.
I'm Earl. We do have a tiny little Earl right here.
Hi.
That rooster has been going on all day long. It has no clock. How are you? I'm good. I'm tired. Yeah.
Hi. I guess they like grass.
You see the animals? You want to come see these? Let's.
Hello.
There's a goat.
Are you gonna get that? No? Yes, no, maybe so.
You see the goats?
Okay, you want that? Okay, I had to find another one. Take it, buddy. There you go.
You like the goats?
Jeez.
Goats. No, don't stick your fingers in there.
No, no, you just had one. It's for him.
Get your fingers out of there, honey.
Take it, take it. No? Okay, you take it.
All right, mommy doesn't trust you.
What? You're fighting. Oh, that sounded rough. Wow. It's not the cutest thing ever.
How are you? Oh, good.
This is so cute. Look at this. Look at this cake. Oh, it's so cute. I want this in my room. We're gonna see a donkey and a llama. Where's the donkey? Oh, there he is.
Don't drop your phone.
I won't.
Because if you do, it will flip. That llama only has one ear? Yep.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah.
I can't tell if it's a llama or an alpaca. Oh, he's so cute. Nick! This is where they're actually going to get married. Flowers.
Danny? No, I'm not.
This is like the best wedding ever. This is the best wedding ever. I can't even. I just can't even. So close. Yeah. 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 I'm gonna go sit down now. Get good seats, hopefully.
Yeah, she works for us.
Two people founded upon mutual respect and affection. Your lives will change, your responsibilities will increase, but your joy will be multiplied if you are sincere with this pledge to one another. Never grow too old to hold hands. Every day, remember to say I love you. Develop the capacity to forgive and forget. Heal quarrels as they happen so that you do not go to bed angry. Pay attention that you do not take each other for granted. And remember to speak words of appreciation and demonstrate your gratitude in thoughtful ways. Can I have the rings? These rings are an outward symbol of an inward commitment of love, unity, and devotion without end. May these rings be blessed as a symbol of your loving unity. Your two lives are now joined together in one unbroken circle. Wherever you may go, you may always return to one another. May you two find in each other the love for which all people desire, and grow in that love and compassion in your years together. May these rings on your fingers symbolize the touch of the spirit of love that dwells within your hearts. Repeat after me. I give you this ring as a pledge of my love, as a symbol of our unity. Matt, repeat after me. I give you this ring as a pledge of my love, and as a symbol of our unity. Shelby, if you will please repeat your vows after me. Got it? My best friend, I give myself to you. I give you my heart, my soul, my tears, my laughter. My best friend, I promise you. I promise to be with you in good times. When life is easy, I promise to comfort you in bad times. When life is hard, I will support and encourage you. I respect you, love you, and I believe in you. You are handsome, compassionate.
Must have thrown that one in there.
I will love you today and all days of my life. Matt, will you please repeat your vows after me? My best friend, I give myself to you. I give you my heart, my soul, my tears, my laughter. My best friend, I promise you. I promise to be with you in good times, when life is easy. I promise to comfort you in bad times, when life is hard. I will support and encourage you. I respect you, love you, and I believe in you. You are beautiful, compassionate. I will love you today and all the days of my life. Matt have just sealed their relationship with the giving and receiving of rings. Today, the relationship is further symbolized by the tying of a fisherman's knot, a true lover's knot, for it is the strongest there is. It's a bond that will not break, becoming ever stronger under pressure. These two cords represent each of you as individuals, as the unique and special gifts you bring to your marriage. As you fasten your pieces together, these actions represent the joining of your two lives into one common purpose. The complete knot represents your future, secure in the knowledge of your relationship will continue to be strong despite the inevitable changes life brings. Although the fisherman's knot is one of the simplest to tie, it is also one of the sturdiest. As stress is applied, the knot becomes ever stronger. It is the goal of marriage to achieve a blending of hearts and lives, but like the spaces between these cords, formed by the knot, let there also be spaces in your new life together, so each may encourage and nurture the individual growth of the other. I ask you now that you pull on this rope to see it strengthen under pressure, while still allowing us to see the individual cords. Just as your support for one another as beautiful and blessed individuals strengthens your union. As you hold one another in mutual concern and shared respect, may you continue holding each other tightly in your hearts and form a strong bond, now and forever. Let this knot indicate the strength of your love and be a symbol of your unity from this day forward. Shall we unite? Inasmuch as you have consented together in marriage, declared your vows in the presence of those gathered here, you have pledged your love and acknowledged your unity by giving each other and receiving a ring and tying the knot, and are now joined in mutual love and devotion. I, as an ordained minister, declare you married and offer you the Apache wedding prayer. Now you will feel no rain, for each of you will be sheltered to the other. Now you will feel no cold, for each of you will be warmth to the other. For each of you will be companion to the other. Now you are two bodies, but there is one life before you. Now go to your dwelling place to enter into your days of togetherness, and may your days be good and long upon this earth. You may now kiss your bride.
Hey!